Good afternoon. I'm Bill Newman, Lincoln County Mayor. This is our March 20th, Friday afternoon update for Lincoln County on the COVID-19. I would like to thank FPU, Brett Dye, Don Counts, and his staff for allowing us to use this facility today. Matt McOlive, our IT person with Lincoln County, as always, with us here and recording this on the WebEx. The first thing we'll talk about, starting Monday, we'll start the student feeding for both school systems, Lincoln County and Fayetteville City. So let me go over a little of that. The county system will be doing drive-through handout meals on the following days. They will be doing it on Monday and Thursday. Mondays and Thursdays, 9 to 11 at all of the county schools. And I'll go over shortly where you need to go to the individual schools. The children that will be receiving those meals need to be in the vehicle that's going through the line. They will not be able to eat those on premise. It's a carry home or carry off premise to be eaten. On the Mondays, they will be receiving 3 days meals, and on Thursday 2. So there will be a breakfast and lunch in each of those for 3 days on Monday and 2 days on Thursday. Let's go over the schools quickly. Blanche, go to the cafeteria door in the car rider line. That's behind the school. Flintville, the car rider line in front of the school. Highland Rim School, the car rider line on the east end of the building. At South Lincoln School, the regular car rider line. At Unity School, the car rider line. And at the Lincoln County, go to the bus loading area. That's on the north end of the building. Now, each of the city schools will also be serving meals, but theirs will be on Tuesday next week, and then the following week will be determined when they are. But next Tuesday, and I've not been given a time, so you need to check with the individual schools as far as the time. But the next meals for the city school system will be, I think that's March 25th, Tuesday. So be aware of that. Our health system, there's no real changes. We were updated with them today. Everybody that goes in will be screened. That includes employees, patients, visitors. There is a little update on far as visitors. Still only 1 visitor per patient, with the exception of any obstetrical cases can have 2, pediatric cases can have 2, and those receiving end-of-life care, it's an undetermined amount right there for those. But please be aware of those and cooperate with them as we go through this. Health Department, no updates from them. Everything that was released yesterday on our press release is the same. Let me emphasize again, on Tuesday, every health department in Tennessee will be receiving help from the National Guard. So you will see 3 people from the Tennessee National Guard in our parking lot to assist the staff there. So it's nothing new. It will be at our health department and all other counties. This is kind of a beware. Don't think something's bad's happening. Now let's go over some of the procedures. We go over this a lot, but I don't think we can cover it too much. If you feel like you're sick, no matter what the cause you think it is, call your doctors first. Doctors first. Then, if you do not have a doctor, call the health department second. That number for the health department, 433-3231. And then the next one will be the hotline number, and this is the hotline for the COVID-19. virus, for information and for them to actually triage you over the phone. The hotline number is 877-857-2945. Let me repeat that. The hotline number is 877-857-2945. Call your doctor first if you have a doctor, then the health department or the hotline. The courthouse, nothing changed from yesterday. We're requesting that you call first, please, rather than just come in. But it is open, and we're just asking you to call. And if there's things we can do over the phone, be glad to do those that wouldn't require coming in. Our grocery stores and pharmacies, nothing has changed really from yesterday on that. And I want to emphasize, if anyone needs help with groceries to get them to you or your prescriptions from any of our pharmacies, please let your church know or any of the churches know, or you can call our office, and that number is 433-3045. That's the mayor's number there. One note, we will not have one of these on Saturday or Sunday unless there's an update that we think's worthy to come to you, and then we would be going to the media sources to get that out. But our next one will be on Monday, probably at 1 p.m. Let me go over just a couple of things on this. Let me go over again the symptoms, because a lot of misinformation is out there on it. This is symptoms of the COVID-19. First off, you're going to be running a fever. You're going to have a cough. You're going to have shortness of breath. Just those three symptoms does not mean you've got it, but those are the symptoms. If you have those, I would call my doctor first, the health department, or the hotline. And then stopping the spread of the germs. Let me go over these about how to stop the spread. This is not just, in my perspective, I would say act like you've got it and everyone else around you does too. So if you'll do that, that'll cut down on a lot of things, because avoid close contact. If you do cough or sneeze, cover it with a tissue or use your sleeve to cough into. And if you're using a tissue, throw that away after each sneeze or cough. Avoid touching your eyes and nose with your hands. You're just transferring whatever's on your hands to being able to enter your body through either your eyes, nose, or mouth. Clean and disinfect frequently the objects you regularly touch and any of those surfaces that you come in contact, or other people in your office, home, or business. And if you are sick, please stay home. We can't emphasize that much, but because people that actually are going to come down with the COVID-19 virus are not going to be hospitalized, but they're going to be sick, and they can spread it to people that may have to use the hospital. So please call your doctor, call the health department or the hotline. And the other one we can't overemphasize either is washing your hands with soap and water. And that will kill those germs too. Yesterday we went over with some of the churches how they would be helping. All the churches are ready there for not only their members but any member of the community. The pharmacies, there's a couple of them that do deliver. Walgreens and CVS will mail you your prescriptions. Carter's delivers in town, and Walgreens will come to the curb if you can pay with a credit card. One of the things that I said yesterday is, please use our website, the county website, for information rather than social media. And let me go over, our website is lincolncountykntngov.com. When you go on there, you'll see where you can click on for information about the COVID virus. If you go there, there will be a lot of connections for the things we go over each day to let you know that. So if you'll use that, there will be information that is accurate as of when you go on there. So please use that. One more time, lincolncountykntngov.com. And don't use social media for your facts about what's going on, because in this situation, you can be part of the solution or you can be part of the problem. And I just ask you, be part of the solution rather than part of the problem, because spreading false, what you may think are factual things, sure hurts all of us trying to get through this. I would just say, stay positive. One of the things you can do, and today may not be the best day to go to one of our parks, but the Stonebridge Park, you could go through one of the drive-through or get your curb service at one of our restaurants and go there and eat. Wonderful place, plenty of room, carry your family and friends. Also, the Wells Hill, the Glegorn Park is open. Picnic tables there, the trails are open, so get out and stay active, and that's a great place, and hopefully our weather tomorrow will be good for getting out on the weekends on that. As I have said before, help take care of your neighbors. If you love your neighbors, check on them. If there's things they need, stay positive. Prayer works. Our churches are there for us. I think it's a good time for us to be reflective on our spiritual life and our connection to our Creator. So I always say, love God and love your neighbors. And if we can help you, contact us, and we will be back on Monday with a press release. And if anything happens over the weekend that needs updating, we'll be there for you. That number at our office again is 433-3045. And let me repeat the website, because there's a lot of good information on there. That's lincolncountykntngov.com. Thank you.